In this video, we'll explore arrays in Solidity, highlighting the characteristics and differences between memory and storage arrays. Arrays in Solidity come in two varieties: fixed size arrays, which can have a data location of storage or memory, and dynamic arrays, which are only available in storage. Both types are essential in smart contract development, as they enable developers to store, manage, and manipulate multiple data elements effectively. Fixed size arrays have a predetermined length, which must be specified at the time of declaration. In contrast, dynamic arrays can change in size as needed during the execution of the smart contract. In Solidity, arrays can be stored in memory or storage, each with its own unique properties and use cases. Memory arrays have a temporary existence and are limited to the scope of a function execution. For example, you would use a memory array for calculations or temporary data manipulation within a function. After the function is executed, the memory array's data is no longer accessible, and any changes made to the data are not persisted on the blockchain. Memory arrays offer fast data access and lower gas costs, making them suitable for temporary data storage and manipulation. However, their data is lost once the function call is completed. Storage arrays are persistent on the blockchain, allowing access to their data for the entire duration of a smart contract's existence. For example, you would opt for a storage array when it's necessary to preserve data over time, such as maintaining contract balances or retaining user information. While storage arrays offer a reliable solution for long-term data storage, it's important to keep in mind that employing them comes at the expense of increased gas costs. To better understand memory and storage arrays, let's illustrate how they are stored. For memory arrays, their allocation occurs within the function execution scope, and they are deallocated once the function call is completed. The temporary storage is efficient for short-term data manipulation. The diagram demonstrates the following steps. The smart contract calls a function. During function execution, a memory array is allocated for short-term data manipulation. The function execution returns the result to the smart contract. The memory array is deallocated and it is no longer accessible after the function call is completed. Storage arrays, on the other hand, are stored on the blockchain. Their data remains intact even after the smart contract execution is finished, ensuring long-term data storage and management. This diagram illustrates the following steps. A smart contract is called. A function within the smart contract is called. The storage array is accessed during function execution. The function execution returns the result from the function. The storage array data is updated and remains stored on the blockchain, intact even after smart contract execution is completed. Understanding the differences between memory and storage arrays in Solidity is essential for efficient smart contract development. Memory arrays provide a fast and cost-effective solution for temporary data storage and manipulation, while storage arrays offer persistent, long-term data storage on the blockchain. By carefully considering the appropriate use cases for each array type, you can optimize your smart contracts to balance gas costs, data storage needs, and overall performance.